Okay, so on this portion of the house, Hugh, while the trailer's still in the garage drying, I'm going to work on putting the stabilizer legs on because I'd rather lay on the garage floor with a little warm mat than lay on the gravel on the side yard. So let's do that while everything else is drying up. These are the stabilizer legs I have. The question is, do I really need 4 of them? Well, the short answer is I have 4 of them, so I'm installing 4 of them. We can test later as to whether or not the 2 closest to the truck make a difference if it's on the truck. And I'm thinking it is because it's attached to a ball and that ball rotates. Okay. But if I take that screw out and use a longer screw right there, there's one of my holes right there. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take that screw out. Okay, so I got my 13 and my 13 and screw started, or my nut and bolt started. Let's put them in place. I see the problem. Okay, that needs a couple of washers. That needs a spacer in there. To make it for the width of that bracket. Okay, now before I go crazy tightening it up, yep, that. There we go. That locks right in just fine. Okay, so the first thing we learned on the other side was that both of those are right around 15s. So let's go ahead and pull this one out the way that it should come out. Get those started. Well, look at that. That did it. There we go. That one was much easier. Okay, next 2 should be even easier. Okay, there's the final 2, and the final 2 took even less time than the second one, and the second one took less time than the first one. So if I was to do another trailer just like this, I could do all 4 of them real quick. But it's the first one that's the toughest one because you're dealing with something new and something really old. Anyways, there's jack stands.